This is a marshmallow in a microwave. Whoa, it's huge! That's a regular size plate. And that's a marshmallow.